Salutations everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Tyler the Gamer, and today we are on a Hive PE server for some hide and seek. Here we go. So here we are, and the hide and seek game. Need 2 more players to start. I am so sorry that I haven't been posting or live streaming lately. I've just been very busy. But now I can relax and probably get more videos than usual. I'll have to try to do that. But anyways, how hide and seek works is you hide at the block and try not to get found, basically. Don't really know how to explain it. By the way, did you guys have a good Easter? I definitely did. I got a lot of stuff from the Easter Bunny. And it was a great time to spend time with my family. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I am a crafting table, I think. I forget. Okay, let's go. The lag. Help, help, help. Wait, am I a hunter? I am a seeker. Okay. So that means we have to find the hiders. Okie dokie. Okay, let's go find them. You know, I'm gonna fail miserably. Hey, you! Stop right there! He's just walking by like, no, no, no. I see you there. Oi! Get back here. Get away from me. I'm actually really good at this game when I'm a hider. What? Okay. Get out of here. There you go. We got a point. Okay, now he's a hider as well. I mean, seeker as well. So he's gonna help me find. Oh, what? What? Where in the world? I can't really turn on this. Hey, I see ya. Somewhere. World? Oh, I see ya. I see you, little munchkin. I really don't like playing on tablet. It's kind of hard to turn. I see you. I see you, Sonny boy. How am I supposed to get up there? Get out. Get down from there. It's too dangerous. My gosh. Yeah, I'm not gonna win this. Let's just face it. I see ya. There we go, I got hit. Yeah, oh, he's on the move. Stop. Oh, right, that's me. Stop, I'm getting my door. Stop. Behave yourself. Sorry about that. I'm actually really tired right now. But I just really want to record again. Oh my goodness! I don't like playing on tablet. It's too hard. Which do you guys prefer to play minigames on a tablet or Windows 10? I mostly prefer Windows 10, but I can't because I don't have my computer right now for one, and for some reason I can't leave the beta. So I'm basically stuck. It really stinks. Come on. Sorry for the lag as well. You know, I'm just going. He's gonna follow me, is he? Yeah, there really ain't no point. Sorry I'm a little quiet, I'm just trying to concentrate. Okay. Let's search around here. Oh, I hate that. Okay, exit out that. But now I'm gonna search for the crafting table. Come on, people, we can do it. There's only 2 more. Oh, wait. There's only 10 hiders. And we only have 2 seekers. Get him! What in the world are you doing? Oh, I missed. Oh, get him. Corner him. I can never make that jump. Wait, can we just... Oh, gosh. Yep, we lost. I think we'll play this round, and then we'll play one more round. See if we can be a Hive. Ah, silly Anvil. I'm raging. Hey, oi. No. Wow. He's like, get off my friend. Oh gosh. How are they so powerful? I saw you there. Wait, what? Yep, we lost. GG. Let's go to another round. So here we go with the next. Hopefully we're a hider this time, because I'm actually really good at being a hider. Okay, can we select our block? Okay, let's go Chinatown. Okay. Let's see. Sorry, I'm not talking at all. Yep, I'm gonna wait until the game starts. Okay, it's now starting. Look at all these cool skins. He's like Mr. Ninja. Okay, what block are we gonna be? Let's be a bookshelf. And hopefully we can actually do good. Are we a hider? We are a hider, I think. Okay, we need to go find a place. Oh, what am I doing? Run! 10 seconds, are you kidding? There's barely any time. No, oh gosh. Are you, what? No. Get up here. Come on, ah, God! No, I'm gonna hide here. Just gonna hide here. Oh gosh. Wait, what? Oh dear. Yeah, we're not gonna win this. Cause stupid PE controls. Come on. No. This can't be happening. No, let's go up here. Go up here. Ah, jeez. No, let's hire here. Even though it's completely obvious. Just stay perfectly still. Come on. Don't see me. Oh, he left, I think. That's good. We're doing good. It's completely good. Yeah, stay perfectly still. Yeah, this is usually how I win this game. It's just like, find a good spot, stay still. And try not to look suspicious. Come on. We have 3 minutes to survive. Okay, so now we get a sword, since we've survived 1 minute. Come on. We can do it. 2 more minutes. Yes. Come on. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm just back. I'll be back recording. It's been too long since I recorded any sort of video, especially a Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Like, jeez. So much has changed. Okay, come on. Okay, so we lost another minute. Come on. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. I know we can. Man, there's 9 seekers. Jeez. Okay. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Till we win. Okay, how is this fair? Oh gosh. Someone's getting really close. No, no, no. Please, no. Please, no. Stay away. No. No, no, no. Come on. We can do this. I know we can. Oh god, they're closing in. Come on. Come on. Don't. Do not. I'm begging you. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. We can do it. Are they all just looking over here? 15 seconds. Yes! We're gonna win. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we win! GG. Oh, I need to type it. Let me type it. Never mind. But look at that. Oh, what? Okay, that was awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a really long time since I recorded. But if you guys did, make sure to smash that like button. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I post videos every so often, but anytime I can. And I also stream sometimes. Also, I've been working on my Instagram, so if you guys want to follow me there, it's at TylerTheGamer40, I think. But until next time, game on!